This assessment allows us to practice identifying bonds formed and bonds broken in a chemical reaction. Here we're doing a hydrogenation of the molecule benzene to give us cyclohexane. Now I've gone ahead and drawn cyclohexane here with the hydrogen shown so that we can better identify the bonds that are going to form and break. What we notice that with benzene is it starts out having one hydrogen on every carbon, but in cyclohexane we now have two hydrogens on every carbon. So the first bond that we can identify as being formed is we're going to be making 6 new CH sigma bonds. What bonds are breaking? Well, we notice that with benzene, we start out with 3 pi bonds, and those are all gone in cyclohexane. So in terms of our broken bonds, we have 3 carbon-carbon pi bonds. Now, the number of broken bonds should match the number of 4 bonds, so there must be at least 3 more bonds that are breaking in this reaction. Which ones are those? Well, that's where hydrogen comes in. Each hydrogen is bound to another hydrogen, so we have 3 HH sigma bonds that are now broken as these hydrogens are separated and reacted with individual carbons. So 3 HH sigma bonds also break in this reaction. We have 6 bonds broken on the left, 6 bonds formed on the right, so we're pretty confident we have the correct answer.